Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So we are making this fabric. It's an Accra fabric that we're using to make A-line dress, and again A-line dress because this one is trending. So my client asked me to make A-line dress for her again. She loved that one that I make for her children. So now we are going to make this one, and it will have a schematic neckline on the neck, and it's a beautiful material that we are using to make this one. Now please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and share it and comment too, please. So let's dive in and let's get started now. I've folded my fabric now, so we'll start with our measurement now. To start with, I'm going to place my tape from the upper part here to measure our half length, and our half length is 17 inches. So that's my 17 inches, and you know the person is tall, that's why we have that length. So now after that, now to take our measurement from the shoulder to the chest line, my shoulder to my chest line is 8.5 inches. So that's my 8.5 inches, and I'll also roll it having a straight line on it. So this is it now. So for the neckline, I will place my tape to mark 4 inches and to bring it down for the neckline 2.5 inches. We are just having this 2.5 inches for the neckline now. We are just doing it for now, but the actual neck is asymmetric neckline. So now we are going to measure our shoulder. So my shoulder divided by 17 inches, that will give us 8.5 inches. So that's my 8.5 inches when you divide your 17 inches by 2. So I'll also roll it like this. So now we'll measure. I will start from the waist to get my waist measurement. My waist measurement that I have here is 31 inches, and 31 divided by 4, it will give us 2 before that 8 inches on the tape. So that's my 31 inches, and I will add my sewing allowance 1.5 inches on it. So now coming to my bust on my chest line, that's where I will get my bust, and my bust is 39 inches. So my 39 inches is around close to 10 inches. So just 2.2 to close to the 10 inches on the tape. So that's my 39 inches, and then I will add up to 2 inches on it. So when making your clothes for your customers like this, you can add allowance on it so that you will be in a safer side. If it's tight, you can have a place that you will now adjust. So that's why I'm doing this now. So I've gotten my measurement, and after that I'll also measure from my shoulder to my, that is to slope my shoulder is by ½ inch, and then I will also use my roller to slope it down like this. So I've done that now. So to connect all the marks together, I will connect it like this. So I've done that now. I will also mark 1 inch to cut the bottom. So that's my 1 inch to curve it now. So then I'll go ahead now to cut. So I've cut it out now. So let me bring it up like this again. So please watch my video down to the end, and please subscribe. So let me just cut this out of it now. So this is our front part now. So we'll use this one to cut the back part. So let me curve my down curve here, like to cut it out. So I've done that now. So we'll cut the front and the back piece now. So here comes to the back piece now. So I will use my front piece that we've cut out already and place it like this, and to get our zipper allowance on it. So my zipper allowance, I will use my tape to measure what I want here. 1.5 inches for the zipper allowance. So I will mark 1.5 inches and roll it like this. So just for us now to cut it, because we have already used the front to cut out the style. So we've cut now. So that is it. The front and the back line is cut. So after this is to cut the down part of it, because it's dress that we are using it to make, like A-line dress. So the one we are doing now is the upper part that we are cutting first. So I will open the zipper side now. So now I've opened it now. So we'll cut the down part now. So this is how to fold your A-line. If you want to fold your A-line, so this is what I did here. I folded it like this, and then I will also want to get my weight. So let me place it because I want it to be big. So that is what we have here, 24 inches. I hope my camera is showing you 24 inches. So from this place now, I will place my tape to get my full length for the down part now. It's 45 inches that we have. So that's my 45 inches. So then I will roll it so that you can see what I'm doing. So this where I will roll. So this where I will roll. So let me roll it. So on this line now, that's where we get our waist measurements. So on this line, that's where we get our waist measurement. So my waist measurement is 31 inches. So when you divide your 21 into 4, what will it give you? This will give us 2 before that 8 inches on the tape, and adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. So from here, I will place my tape to get my hip line. So my hip line that I have here is 9.5 inches. So coming to the hip line here, we will not get our proper measurement for the hip. My hip is 46 inches, which is 11.5 inches. Adding my sewing allowance to 2 inches on it. So then I will connect from my waist to my hip using my ruler to connect it like this. So then we are done with the upper part. So I will shift it up a bit so that you can see what I'm doing at the downside of it now. So this is it now. So what I will do now, from my hip here, we just take it to flare it out. That's what I want to do here now. So from my hip now is where I'm taking it now to flare it out. So I'm using my ruler to do that. So remember what we have there for the downside is 24 inches, that's the weight for my flare. So we've gotten it now. So what I will do now is for us to cut. And then before then too, let me place and get my length for that 45 inches. Then taking it like this to mark my 45 inches. So this is my 45 inches here. So I'll just continue to mark my 45 inches, holding my tape for it not to shift, to continue my 45 inches. So you can see what I'm doing here now. So that is it, because what we are making is flare. It's A-line flare. So we take it now. You can see the downside now is curved. It's not a straight flow that we are cutting. It's flare, and it is A-line flare that we are making now. So then I will cut. So we've gotten it now. So let me come to the upper part to cut the waist. I'm just bringing it up a bit, down a bit, please, for you to see. So let me cut now. That is for the waist now that I'm cutting. So I'll take it up again for you to see. So gotten it now. So this is it now. So you can see how it is now. So can you see the shape now? So I will use this one that I've cut out now to cut the back side, and just add my zipper side and cut. I'll spread the back piece too and lay the front on it, having my zipper allowance. So I added my zipper allowance like this. So what I will do now, just to cut it out now. So what I added is 1.5 inches. So I will be using my scissors to cut it, starting from the down part, cut like this. So that is it now. So I will go and open the zipper part too. So it's A-line dress that we are making, remember that. So I'm cutting from the upper part. My camera, I hope it's picking it, and if it's not picking it, please don't be angry. What I'm doing here is the upper part that I'm cutting out now. So that is it. Let me take it off again. So as you can see, I've cut the front and the back piece now. So we'll go and join it together now. We'll finish cutting the top and the down part of it, but we are not going to join everything today. So next time when we are going to join the pieces together, and this is the front down of it that we have cut out. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and please, you can also comment and share it and like it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.